Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So in this video tutorial I am going to show you how you can easily create letter based logo design. So first of all, take the rectangle tool, press and hold shift key to create a square, rotate the rectangle, align it center. Now press keyboard D, take the line segment tool, align it center, select the line, go to object, path, divide object below, select the bottom part and remove. Now select the triangle with the help of direct selection tool, select the top node and move the top anchor point upwards. Now select all. Now click here to swap the color, increase the stroke weight to 60. Let's do 150. 120 is fine, I think. Now take the pen tool, make sure your fill should be none. Take the pen tool, go to view outline and create a curved line like this. Escape, and adjust it like this. Go to window, view, go to view, GPU preview, zoom, select the line with the help of width tool, make it sharp from one side. Now increase the size of the curved line. Now select the curved line, go to object, expand appearance, do the same for triangle, select the triangle, go to object, expand, fill and stroke. Now select the curved line again, go to object, path, offset path and make it 40 pixel and OK. Now select all, take the shape builder tool, press and hold Alt and you will see a tiny minus sign. So it means we can remove. So remove this part to create a gap between A and curved line, and do the same for bottom part. Press and hold Alt key and remove this part. We will also remove this extra part, so same, press and hold Alt key and click on it. Now select all, go to Windows Pathfinder, this dialog box will open, Windows Pathfinder and click on Unite. If you like this video, please subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you so much. Your logo design is ready.